Hello students, welcome to Concept Life. Today we are studying quadratic equations part 2nd. In the last lecture we had studied about how can we get the quadratic roots of a quadratic equation. Fine. Now today we going to discuss about nature of the roots. Means उसके रूट्स जो होते हैं वो कैसे आते हैं, उसके रूट्स कैसे आते हैं, रियल होते हैं, इमेजिनरी होते हैं, हाउ कैन वी गेट देम. ओके, सो नाउ we will start this. Nature of the quadratic equation. If quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. There are two roots of this equation. I am saying one is alpha and second one is beta. Now there is a discriminant. What is the discriminant? Discriminant is a value that is b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is the value b square minus 4ac. ये एक वैल्यू होता है बेटा. Now I am saying in the last class we had studied this is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and this value is called as discriminant. Fine. Now this value is discriminant. Now listen very carefully. यहां क्या होगा देखो, if there is a root, now if I'll substitute value of d here, then what? अगर हमने ये देखो root d है बेटा, root d है. Now if I'm taking or value, if I'll put value of d here, so what we get, if this d is positive, means there is a positive quantity in a root, in a square root, we get a finite result. Yes or no? We get a finite and real result. Fine. Now if this d is 0, then this value will null. Now and the value is minus b by 2a, and in this case roots are equal, because due to this plus minus we get two different roots. But यहाँ पर क्या है, ये वैल्यू तो बेटा नलीफाई है, तो वैल्यू will becomes what? Minus b by a simply. So minus b by a is just roots of the equation. Now there are two roots, one is alpha and another one is beta, both are same. Now if d is 0, then roots are same. Now if I am saying if d is negative, means there is a negative value in the root. जब root में negative value होता है, then that is called an imaginary number. That is an imaginary number. ये real में present नहीं होता है, and now it can be defined as here, if there is under root of minus 1, that is denoted by I, and I is iota. Fine. I is iota. This is the smallest imaginary quantity, iota, and iota is nothing, root minus 1. Fine. Root minus 1. Now I'm value here. The nature of the roots of the quadratic equation depends upon b square minus 4ac. As we discussed, this value is b square minus 4ac. Now for nature of the roots, we check b square minus 4ac. If b square minus 4ac is positive, then roots are real. And real as well as we get different roots. क्यों मिलेंगे बेटा different roots? रूट है, आपके पास प्लस लगाओ माइनस, one is something plus root वाला form and another is something minus root. There are two different roots. That's why if d is positive, then we get two different roots. Fine. And real roots. Now if b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, तो अब देखो रूट कंप्लीट हो गया, खत्म हो गया, then we get always a rational value. So roots are rational. Roots कैसे होंगे? Rational होंगे. Fine. Now if b square minus 4ac is positive but not a perfect square, means there must be a term which consists root. For example, this one, root 5, or I'm saying 2 plus root 5. For example, 2 plus root 5 and 2 minus root 5. Fine beta, one root is 2 plus root 5, another is 2 minus root 5. So what we get? We get here two different roots, but they are irrational. फाइन, तो अब ऐसा होगा तो आप क्या कहोगे? अगर b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर, देन वी कैन इजीली से दैट रूट्स आर रियल बट irrational. Fine. Now, if d is 0, then roots are real and unequal. Fine. Now, if d is negative, then roots are imaginary. Fine. Now, अब क्या होता है बेटा? Now, अब क्या है अपने पास में कि how can we get imaginary roots? If b square minus 4ac is negative, means d is negative, then we can get imaginary roots. Now, अब कुछ बेसिक डेफिनेशंस हैं, उनको भी आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. देखो, नोट, आई एम रिटन अ नोट हियर. इफ abc belongs to real number, and one root is p plus iota q, one root is 2 plus iota 3, then other must be 2 minus iota root 3, means imaginary roots always occur in conjugate pair. means बेटा अगर एक आपका अल्फा प्लस आयोटा बीटा है, then other must be alpha minus iota beta. They always occur in conjugate pair. ये conjugate pair में लाई करते हैं बेटा. Fine. Now, if roots are irrational, means देखो बेटा, ये अपने पास 2 प्लस माइनस रूट 5 होगा ना, तो ये वन रूट इज 2 प्लस रूट 5 एंड अनदर इज 2 माइनस रूट 5. आर दे नॉट इन कॉन्जुगेट? या दे आर इन कॉन्जुगेट पेयर. तो ये कॉन्जुगेट पेयर में भी बनते हैं. तो कौन कौन से होते हैं कॉन्जुगेट पेयर में? कॉन्जुगेट पेयर में अपने पास दो चीजें आती हैं. कौन सी? वन इज इमेजिनरी रूट्स एंड अनदर वन इज इररेशनल रूट्स. मतलब अगर इररेशनल रूट्स से तो कॉन्जुगेट पेयर में होंगे एंड इमेजिनरी रूट्स होंगे, दे आर आल्सो इन कॉन्जुगेट पेयर. फाइन बेटा. नाउ देयर इज एन आइडेंटिटी. Now what is identity? Identity means the equation which satisfies more than the highest expression, more than highest power of the expression. Means देखो कैसे, मैंने यहां से क्या बोला बेटा, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. means this is an identity. means for different values of theta we get the same result. Okay beta, we get the same result. Now if I am saying that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Fine beta. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, means this is an identity. means for different values, for more than two values we get the desired result. So for quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, it must be an identity if a equals to b equals to c. If coefficients are same and also equal to 0, then the equation has an identity. Okay, तो equation क्या है बेटा? Identity है. means अगर ऐसा होगा तो more than two values will satisfy the equation. How can we say that? Because now if I am saying that this is 0 into x square, 0 into x plus 0 equals to 0, means is there any effect of this x? No, there is no effect of this x. So due to this we can easily say roots are more than 2. फाइन बेटा. तो अगर आपके पास ऐसा होता है कि आइडेंटिटी है, if identity exists for a quadratic equation, means there must be a equals to b equals to c equals to 0. फाइन बेटा. Now अब देखो समराइज करते हैं अपन इसको, क्या होगा कैसे होगा, देखो बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इज नेगेटिव, रूट्स आर इमेजिनरी, बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac पॉजिटिव, रूट्स आर रियल, बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इक्वल टू 0, रूट्स आर इक्वल, okay, roots are real and equal. Now discuss about some more point. Graphical representation of a quadratic expression. Quadratic expression, देखना बेटा, this is very important concept, this is very important concept. Okay, let we consider this quadratic expression, we consider this quadratic expression, this quadratic expression. In this, coefficient of x square is non-zero, that means if coefficient of x square is 0, then that expression will become linear, है ना, तो linear बन जाएगा, that means this a is not equals to 0, so either a is positive or a is negative, a is positive और a is negative, ठीक है, या तो आपका जो a है बेटा वो पॉजिटिव होगा और या जो a है वो आपका नेगेटिव होगा. फाइन, दिस a is positive, either positive or negative. Now for this positive negative case, we have to divide this part into 6 subsections. Okay, now if a is positive, if a is positive, then the shape of graph of quadratic expression is parabola, and concave upward. What is parabola? Just parabola like this one. Parabola is this is the parabolic structure, this is the parabolic structure, this is the parabolic structure. Fine, this is the parabolic structure. Fine, these are the parabolic structures. Now if a is positive, then graph is concave upwards, now if a is negative, then graph is concave downwards, Fine beta. Now listen very carefully. So how can we identify this one? Now graph of this is divided into 6 categories. How can we say 6 categories? Because देखो, if I am saying this is the graph, fine, this is the x-axis, fine beta, ये हमारा x-axis है. Now this graph cuts x-axis at 2 different points, means on the x-axis y coordinate is 0, x-axis y coordinate is 0, means ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Okay, fine. So here there are 2 different values we get for x, that is x1, that is x2, है ना, हमें 2 डिफरेंट वैल्यूज मिल गया, किसका, x1 x2, मींस यहां से अपने ये देखो बेटा, अगर हमने ये वैल्यू मिला है, यहां से अपने को ये वैल्यू अपने को मिला है. नाउ हाउ कैन वी से दैट, व्हाट वी से, आई एम सेइंग दैट दिस इज वन रूट, दिस इज अनदर रूट, मींस इफ दिस कंडीशन पॉसिबल, देन वी गेट 2 डिफरेंट रूट्स. मीन्स अगर कोई भी ग्राफ एक्स एक्सिस को इंटरसेक्ट करता है 2 पॉइंट्स पर डिफरेंटली, देन दिस इज केस ऑफ 2 डिफरेंट रूट्स, मीन्स दिस इज अपवर्ड पैराबोला. सो a must be positive and d also positive, why? So this is for upward direction and this is for 2 different roots. Fine. Now for this case this is a single point, means there are 2 same values of x, means अगर आपको यहां पर 2 same values मिलेगा, मतलब same values means b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, yes or no, एक ही वैल्यू है बेटा, तो ये बना. Now for this case we get no solution, हमारे x एक्सिस पर ये इंटरसेक्ट नहीं कर रहा, that means for that case roots are imaginary and d is negative but a is positive. Same cases are for a negative. Fine beta, same cases are for a negative. So let me check. देखिए बेटा, this is a negative, this is a negative, this is also a negative, this is also a negative. Now what about D? बेटा अगर आप ये देखो कि ये x एक्सिस को 2 पॉइंट्स पर इंटरसेक्ट करता है, if graph intersects at 2 points, one point is this, one point is this, means two different values, so D is greater than 0. D is greater than, for that case D equals to 0, and for this case D is less than 0 because there are no intersection point of x axis with the graph. Fine beta. Now if in this case, please listen very carefully, beta एक बात बताओ, if this is the graph, here A is positive and D is negative, graph exists like this, means this whole value is what? Positive. ये सारा वैल्यू क्या है बेटा? पॉजिटिव है ना. सो आई एम सेइंग ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. या देखो अपवर्ड है ना, above the x axis है, this is above the x axis, so we get only positive values, not negative. But if a is negative and d is negative, okay beta, if a is negative and d is negative means graph is like this बनेगा बेटा. For that case ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c was negative. ये हमेशा नीचे रहेगा बेटा एक्सिस के, तो दिस वैल्यू मस्ट बी नेगेटिव. सो हाउ कैन वी से that is this one and this one? By looking at the graph we can easily say that this value is always negative, but x axis का नीचे रहेगा means always negative, and this is above the x axis, so that value is always positive. That will not intersect the x axis, that also, so that's why this is always positive and this is always negative. Fine, clear है, ये अपने पास में बनता है. Now taking to the question, so listen very carefully. Without solving, let's listen, without solving, examine the nature of the roots of the equation, means you have to identify roots are equal, are different, or same, or negative, or imaginary. How can we identify? Means nature of the roots depends upon D. So first we have to check b square minus 4ac, that is a D, b square minus 4ac. Now in this condition this is a, this one b, this one c, so what is this beta? क्या होगा? I'll put here b is 2, that is 4 minus 3 to the 6, 6 4s are 24, so this value is minus 20. If D is negative, students listen carefully, if D is negative then roots are what? Imaginary. Fine beta, roots are imaginary, and for that question, yes, D is b square minus 4ac. So what we get here? This is 5, this is 25 minus 4. Now a is 1 and c is minus 2, so that is 25 plus 8, 33. Okay, so D is positive here, D is positive here. If D is positive then roots are real but different. ओके, रूट्स कैसे हैं? रूट्स रियल हैं एंड डिफरेंट है. फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस वन. नाउ मूव फॉरवर्ड. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k फॉर विच द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैव इक्वल रूट्स. बेटा इक्वल रूट्स कब होते हैं किसी भी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन के? स्ट्रेस, यू नो वेरी वेल. If D is 0 then we can get equal roots. तो इस इक्वेशन में देखो b स्क्वायर क्या बना बेटा? दिस इज b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac इक्वल्स टू 0. नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट वैल्यू हियर, substitute this value here. What is b? b is minus 2 k minus 1, so that is 4 into k minus 1 whole square minus 4 times of k plus 1 and c is 1. So this is a quadratic equation. So k minus 1 whole square minus k plus 1 equals to 0. Solving that we get k square minus 2k plus 1 minus k minus 1 equals to 0. So here solving this one we get k square minus 3k equals to 0. Either k equals to 0, either k equals to 0 or k equals to 3. We get two different values. Now if I'll substitute k 0, so we have to find values. Now we get values of k. हमें यहां से k का वैल्यूज बेटा मिला हुआ है. k का वैल्यूज क्या क्या बेटा? k is either 3 or 0. So easily we can calculated the value of, easily we have calculated the value of what? K, that is 0 and another one is 3. I hope you understand this one. Now move forward. Discuss about quadratic inequalities. Okay, we have to discuss about quadratic inequality. Just listen carefully. Just listen carefully. How can we solve this equation, or sorry, this inequality? Just listen carefully. First you have to know about values. We have to know about values. So linear inequality, if I am saying x minus 1 is positive, if I am saying x minus 1 is positive, so just you have to put here 1. Okay, now this is positive infinity, this is negative infinity. Now we have to find greater than 0, means x is greater than 1. We have to find value of x greater than 1. So our reason is this one. So we get x belongs to 1 to infinity, means greater than 1. Fine. Now for quadratic we can solve like that. अब हम क्या करेंगे बेटा, जब भी अपने पास ऐसा बनेगा, ठीक है, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में हमारे पास ऐसा बनेगा, तो हम उसको कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं देखिए. ठीक है, अपन यहां से ये देखते हैं. नाउ देयर आर डिफरेंट केसेस अराइजेस. सो दिस वी कैन सॉल्व बाय अ वेरी स्पेशल मेथड, दैट इज वी कैन से रेलवे ट्रैक मेथड. ओके, वी कैन से railway track method. Fine beta, we can say railway track method. How can we use that? रेल की पटरी मेथड. ठीक है, देखो बेटा, रेल की पटरी मेथड. आई एम सेइंग जस्ट आई एम राइटिंग हियर x square minus 4x plus 3 is greater than 0. x square minus 4x plus 3 greater than 0. Okay, fine. Let suppose this is an equation. You don't know that is inequality. You have to just suppose that is equal. आपको ये मानना है कि ये equal है. So if there is equal, then how can we solve that? We can solve like that: x minus 1 and x minus 3, that is greater than 0. Fine बेटा, this is greater than 0. अब क्या है बेटा, यहां से ये वैल्यू आपने यहां से सॉल्व किया. नाउ देयर आर टू वैल्यूज पॉजिटिव. ओके, इफ दिस इज इक्वल टू 0 वी गेट वैल्यूज ऑफ x इज x इक्वल्स टू 1 और x इक्वल्स टू 3. सो यू हैव टू जस्ट प्लॉट टू लाइंस. आप ये दो लाइनें बना लें. दीज टू लाइंस आर कॉल्ड, आई एम सेइंग दैट दीज आर दी रेल की पटरी. क्या है? रेलवे ट्रैक. Railway track. Okay, so railway track. Now there are two values. What? Just first is 1, another one is 3. Fine. This is infinity, this is minus. You have to write like this: minimum, maximum, and then so on. Fine. Now अब आप देखो, between the railway track, रेल की पटरियों के बीच में there is danger. So I'll write negative sign. So I'll put negative sign here. Fine. On the outside of railway track there is no danger, कोई खतरा नहीं होता. So I'll put here positive sign. Fine. So अब आप ये देखो बेटा, now you can say here what you have to find? You have to just find, this is what you have to find, positive. You have to find positive, means you have to find positive sign. So where is positive sign? Positive sign is this, on this side. Positive side is on this side. Fine. So the region lies in this interval, this one and this one. So what is, so x belongs to what? Minus infinity to 1 union 3 to infinity. Fine students. हमें कैसे कैलकुलेट करना है? if he asks, अगर वो आपसे पूछता है ये वाला सेम क्वेश्चन, x minus 1 x minus 3 less than 0, okay, x minus 1, so you have to write like this, 1 3 infinity minus infinity. Fine students, this is minus, this plus, this plus. Now from this part we have to find that, we have to find this one, so we have to find negative value. So negative value कहाँ है? Where is the negative sign? Negative sign is this, means for that x belongs to 1 to 3, means आप x की क्या वैल्यू पुट करें हैं वहां पर कि आपको ये ऑलवेज कैसा मिले? पॉजिटिव मिले, ये कैसा मिले? नेगेटिव मिले. ओके बेटा, फाइन. नाउ this is for a positive. I am explaining about a positive. Fine. So just here you have to write like this one. I am explaining that. आपको ऐसा ही बनाना है. चलिए, this one I'll explain easily. अब देखो. Now second case, if has equal roots, if equation has equal roots. फाइन बेटा, अगर इक्वेशन के रूट जो हैं वो इक्वल है, इफ इक्वेशन के जो रूट्स हैं वो इक्वल है, तो बेटा अगर रूट्स इक्वल है, सपोज आई एम सेइंग x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर इज ग्रेटर देन 0. फाइन बेटा, ये आपके पास रूट्स हैं. तो नाउ इज, अब ये इनइक्वालिटी कैसे सॉल्व होगा? इज दिस पॉसिबल? Is this possible? No sir, this is not possible because this value is always, ये वैल्यू बेटा always कैसा होता है? That is greater than equal to 0. So ये possible होगा. अगर किसी ने आपसे क्वेश्चन ये पूछा, क्वेश्चन उसने ये प्लॉट किया आपसे कि इसकी वैल्यू बताओ, क्या डिफाइन करोगे? तो आप क्या बोलोगे यहां से? x belongs to 5, मीन्स कोई भी वैल्यू नहीं है यहां पर x का. यहां देखो, यहां पर क्या आएगा? x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर, x माइनस 1 स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन 0, x माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 0. मींस पॉजिटिव तो नहीं हो सकता. मतलब आपके पास में ये, जस्ट लिसन केयरफुली, आई एम डिड सम मिस्टेक हियर. ओके, मैंने यहां से एक छोटा सा मिस्टेक लिख दिया बेटा. आपके पास, सॉरी, ये ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव होगा ना बेटा? दिस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. ये कैसा होगा? दिस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, दिस इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. फाइन बेटा, ये अपने पास ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव होगा. तो अब आप मुझे बताओ x का क्या वैल्यू मैं सब्स्टिट्यूट करूं मुझे पॉजिटिव मिले? एक्सेप्ट 1, यू कैन पुट एनीथिंग. सो वी गेट हियर x बिलोंग्स टू r माइनस 1. Okay, if I'll put 1 here, then we get 0, and 0 cannot be greater than 0. This condition is violates. Therefore, so we have to put all values except 1. आप 1 के अलावा कुछ भी पुट कर दो, आपका आंसर बनेगा. ठीक है. यहां पर क्या है? यहां पर 0 is included, means you have to also put 1 here. So here we get x belongs to real number. सारे जो भी पॉसिबिलिटीज है वो यहां पर अपने पास मिल रहे हैं. क्लियर है बेटा? हमने क्या बोला कि अगर आपके पास ये केसेस हैं तो आपके पास में ये चीज और ये चीज अपन यहां पर इजीली बोल सकते हैं. क्लियर आ रही है बेटा बात समझ में? ये ऐसा पॉसिबल हो रहा है. क्लियर? नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, if b square minus 4ac, if b square minus 4ac is negative, अगर b square minus 4ac is negative, तो हम ऑलरेडी कह चुके हैं बेटा, हम कह चुके हैं कि अपने पास में उसका साइन कैसा होगा? वो ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव होगा, ऑलवेज नेगेटिव होगा. हम पहले ही डिफाइन कर चुके हैं. फाइन बेटा. नाउ वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस इन इक्वेशन. वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस इन इक्वेशन. सो हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन बेटा? जस्ट लिसन वेरी केयरफुली. इस इक्वेशन को हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? देखो, we know this is an equal sign. So if this is equal sign, we have to factorize this one. So middle term splitting method, that is 3x minus 2x minus 6 less than 0. Fine. Taking 3x as a common, so we get x plus 3 minus 2 x plus 3 less than 0. So x minus 2 x plus 3 greater than 0. So if this is an equation, then we get there two values, x equals to minus 3 and x equals to 2. So we will use our railway track method, rail ki patri method. Just draw two lines. One is minus 3 and another one is plus 2. On the real line, we have to first put minus 3 and then 2 here. Okay beta, now this is plus infinity and this is minus infinity. Now between the railway tracks, rail ki patri, we will put negative sign here and positive sign here. Fine. So what we required, we require beta negative sign, because this value is less than 0. So this value is less than 0 means we have to calculate only negative side. So where is the negative side? This is the negative side. So our solution of this equation, sorry, this inequality is what? Solution is minus 3 to 2, or in other words we can write x belongs to minus 3 to plus 2. Fine students, got it? तो ये हमने यहाँ पर क्या किया, इनइक्वालिटी को सॉल्व किया इस वाले को. Clear? Now move on the next question. This is another question. So can we solve that? We can easily split the middle term, x square minus 3x, x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 greater than equals to 0. Fine students. Now take x as a common, we get x minus 3 here, minus 1, x minus 3 greater than 0. So x minus 1 and another factor is x minus 3 positive. तो अब यहाँ से बेटा फिर अगेन अपन क्या यूज करें, रेल की पटरी. Now there are two values also, one is plus 1 and another one is 3. This is infinity, this is minus infinity. Now taking sign here, this one is positive sign, this one negative sign, this one is positive sign. Fine students. Now what we have to identify here, we have to identify here that is greater than 0 means positive sign. Where is the positive sign beta? Where is the positive sign? Positive sign lies here. Now we get this region minus infinity to 1 and another is 3 to infinity. Fine students. एक तो part ये possible है, another part is this one. Now अब क्या है बेटा, there is a twist in the question. Here this equality sign also given. ये also equality का sign given है, means we have to put equal here also. But if I'll put equal sign here, if I'll put equal sign here means infinity. Can you get at infinity? क्या आप infinity तक जा सकते हो? क्या आप infinity पहुंच सकते हो? No, we cannot goes to infinity, means that does not exist. That means बेटा कि आप यहाँ पर infinity and minus infinity, you don't at infinity and minus infinity, you don't use equal sign. Okay, so just this is the value of x. So in the interval format we can write like this, minus infinity to 1 union 3 to infinity. Fine बेटा, ये अपने पास में. अगर ये साइन नहीं होता then answer will be like that, x belongs to minus infinity 1 union 3 to infinity. Fine. अगर आपके पास ये इक्वालिटी साइन नहीं होता तो हमारा आंसर ये होता, इक्वालिटी साइन है, ड्यू टू दिस साइन वी गेट दिस रिजल्ट. Fine students. Now move on to next part. This is the grasp your concept, means this is your homework. Okay, you have to solve them and comment answers. So next class we will discuss that one. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.